Title: 20 Life-Changing Habits, Transforming Your Everyday Routine. Have you ever wondered how to make the most out of every day? Discover 20 useful habits that can truly change your life. Habit 1. Start your day with gratitude. Take a moment each morning to acknowledge the blessings in your life. Habit 2. Prioritize self-care. Set aside time for activities that recharge your mind, body, and soul. Habit 3. Practice daily exercise. Move your body to increase energy levels and maintain a healthy lifestyle. Habit 4. Nurture your relationships. Make an effort to connect with loved ones and build strong bonds. Habit 5. Develop a growth mindset. Embrace challenges as opportunities for personal development and learning. Habit 6. Practice mindfulness. Fully engage in the present moment and cultivate inner peace. Habit 7. Learn to manage stress. Identify coping mechanisms that help you stay calm during challenging times. Habit 8. Rethink your diet. Opt for nutritious food choices that provide fuel for an energetic and vibrant life. Habit 9. Create a daily routine. Establishing habits and structure can increase productivity and reduce stress. Habit 10. Read and expand your knowledge. Engage in lifelong learning to stimulate personal growth. Habit 11. Practice gratitude before bed. Reflect on the positive moments of your day before you sleep. Habit 12. Cultivate a positive mindset. Challenge negative thoughts and replace them with affirmations. Habit 13. Set clear goals. Define your aspirations and work towards them with determination and consistency. Habit 14. Embrace simplicity. Let go of clutter and focus on what truly matters in your life. Habit 15. Stay organized. Establish systems and routines that keep your life efficient and decluttered. Habit 16. Stay hydrated. Drink enough water to maintain your body's functions and boost energy levels. Habit 17. Practice active listening. Engage fully in conversations and validate others' perspectives. Habit 18. Embrace failure. View setbacks as opportunities for growth and resilience. Habit 19. Express gratitude. Show appreciation to those around you and improve your relationships. Habit 20. Always keep learning. Stay curious, explore new interests, and continuously expand your horizons. Thanks for watching. Make these habits a part of your everyday routine and transform your life. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more valuable content.
Follow, like, subscribe, share. Thank you for watching.